I'm Brian DeLuca and this is Tech Breakdown from eDesign It. Today we're talking all about relays, but before we do that, make sure you like and follow. What are relays in electronics? A relay is an electronically operated switch. It consists of a set of input terminals for a single or multiple control signals and a set of operating contact terminals. The switch can be normally opened or normally closed. When the relay's control circuit is energized, the switch toggles its state, allowing for interrupting of the flow of current in the controlled circuit. So what are some of the key components of relays? Electromagnets are the core component. When energized, they create a magnetic field to actuate the switch. Armatures are the movable arm that responds to the electromagnet's magnetic field, opening or closing the contacts. Contacts are the conducting part of the switch. It opens and closes to complete or break the circuit. The springs ensure the armatures return to its default position when the relay is de-energized. Now there are quite a few types of relays. Electromechanical relays. These relays use an electromagnet to mechanically switch a circuit. They are known for their durability and ability to handle high power. Solid-state relays. Instead of moving parts, solid-state relays use semiconductor devices to switch circuits. They are faster and more reliable, but typically handle lower power compared to an electromechanical relay. Reed relays. These contain reed switches enclosed in a glass tube and are activated by a magnetic field. They are compact and offer fast switching, but are generally used for low power application. Time-delayed relays. These relays incorporate a timing mechanism allowing the switch to open and close after a specific delay. They are used in applications requiring time-based control. Experiment with different types of relays to figure out which best fits your needs. And remember to always consider the electrical specifications of your project. For more on electronics, make sure you like and follow eDesign It, and remember to visit edesignit.com.